So guys, welcome to this week's vlog. The journey continues. I'm about 45 minutes outside of Rome. I'm going to be heading into the centre. I'm going to be seeing the Colosseum. I'm going to be bringing that all to you guys this week, and I'm absolutely buzzing. Sun's out, the rain's gone away, and yeah man, I'm excited. We're going to rewind back to my final day in Durrës. Nazia? Adnan. Why do you travel?
Different people, new culture, new food. It's amazing, really.
Would you recommend people to travel more?
It's like, getting more freedom in their lives to explore their own souls.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I made the decision to take an 8-hour ferry from Durrës over to Bari. I'd been worn down by many days of rain. Couldn't find anywhere to do laundry. And fasting had given me some clarity to move along.
This is what happens when you haven't eaten in 120 odd hours, guys.
Bon appetit. That's a munch down. 121 hours. I've had enough. I'm eating. I'm so buzzing. Broke my fast last night. I had some noodles. I then had some other fruit and stuff, and just it's just so nice to be eating food again, man. And then today I cooked myself a traditional English breakfast. Tomatoes and mushrooms and toast, and it was just... I forgot the beans! Oh my god, I knew there was something missing. It's just come to me. Why didn't I do beans? I've got baked beans. So, Bari to Naples today, tomorrow to Rome. All roads lead to Rome, as they say. So guys, made it to Rome. I'm gonna go get some food actually from this vegan place that I found on Happy Cow.
Yes.
The restaurant. This restaurant name is
This is bibliothèque.
Bibliothèque.
Bibliothèque is all vegetarian Ayurvedic food.
Organic. It's
Organic.
really amazing food. I'm so grateful. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you.
Rome's just another kettle of fish altogether, man. It's like absolutely endless amounts of things to see. Don't even know where to start. Every single direction there's like some mad bit of history going on. Wow, I'm in shock. Just come back to the van. It's been broke into. They've nicked my passport, my guitar, all the information for the car, all the documents for the car. Yeah, man. All my tools, all my tools. So, yeah. Yeah, man. So, up early this morning, gonna go to the police to see if they fancy helping. Surprisingly, yesterday when I said to them, I said to them, "Oh mate, I've had a break-in." They said, "Oh, we're closed." I was like, "Oh." Imagine being in that place where you're able to break into someone's house or van in this case, in a very quick and thorough search for high-value items, and then be on your toes and be able to put your head down at night and still feel some sort of relative, I want to say, peace. Hopefully I get some time to see Rome, because it's fucking sick here, man. You know, and not feel any compassion, not feel any heart. I can only say I'm so glad and grateful to that I'm not in that place, and I'm the other side of it. I still have a conscience, and I feel almost compassion and emotion for that person, and think I'd love to help you. You know, I really would like to. If that's what you're doing with your life, I feel for you, man. We can't help you because, mate, no, they've sent me somewhere else. Yeah, they've asked me to move the van here to the police station so they can have a look inside. Yeah, everything. Yeah, that as well. Yeah, it's all gone. Yeah, I can't apply online. Yeah, everything's stolen. British Embassy are just complete waste of time. Just so people know, they just say apply online. After all that was done, I headed across the river to the Vatican. So I'm here in the Vatican. Made it into the Vatican state to have a little look around. It's quite restrictive. Like, I tried to go in a few entrances and they were like, no, it's all like, it's quite weird, really. Yeah, I had a little break from admin duties. More Roman history, I suppose, and ancient history. After a long day, came to get some food from this place. They serve a nice range of South Indian food, close by to the British Embassy. Got my temporary passport sorted, so picking that up tomorrow. Yeah, I just feel a bit fed up, to be fair, like just with everything. This is the moment I'd pick the guitar up and play some music to make myself feel better, but just looking at an empty guitar case. And the van just feels like, I don't know, man, it just feels like very different, you know. Going to get the ETA today, emergency travel passport document thing, whatever it is. £100, love that. Yeah, just going to the embassy. The dehumanisation of, you know, basically every process has crept in now. Can you at least sit down with me for 5 minutes, maybe have a cup of tea and just sort of like pat me on the back and go, it's all going to be all good, we got your back? No, because I ain't got your back. That's the point. The weirdest thing was, this girl, as I'm picking up my passport, she walks in, she goes, oh, I said, oh, what, you lost your passport? She said, no, I just lost my phone. Someone who's not really even in that much distress is just, oh yeah, go straight up, mate. Me, I lost everything. Oh no, you speak to this phone like a robot. Honestly, mate, it's jokes though, right? You just got to laugh. Security guard in the embassy, he was wearing a mask, and I said to him, bro, I said, what are you doing? He said, oh, blah blah blah, you know what, the C word. And I said, mate, do you want to know why they've never found a cure for the common cold? And he was like, what? No, like what? I said, because that is the cure. The symptoms that you're feeling, that is the cure. Here at the Colosseum, biggest attraction in Rome. Arguably one of the biggest attractions in Europe, I would say. It's been a difficult few days, shall we say, with everything that's happened. Lost all my stuff, obviously, and having to, you know, go to the embassy and mess around. But there's far worse things that could be happening, let's be honest. keep moving forward, keep smiling, keep trying to look at the silver lining under everything, try and learn the lessons that life brings, and as I said, just keep going. So I'm here now in Civitavecchia, preparing myself to head towards Barcelona. That's it for this week's vlog, guys. It's been entertaining. It's been a bit of a funny one. I certainly didn't see this coming, to be honest. But that's life for you, right? It throws you in all different directions, and you just have to do your absolute utmost to keep moving forward, keep riding that wave. So until next time, guys.
Thanks for watching the videos. Please subscribe the channels and click on the bell icon button. Thank you.